Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial Colors in Photoshop. My name is Stefan Kohle, I'm a retoucher from Germany, and in the next 2.5 hours I want to show you about color mixing in additive and subtractive mode. We have some examples for that, so you can understand what's going on when mixing colors, how colors are built and what they do. I will also talk a little bit about color harmonies and about tools to help you with color harmonies, and I will show you how the tools inside of Photoshop work. I will also show you the process of color correction and color toning, so how to apply color schemes to an image and how to find these color schemes and how I deal with colors. Also, I have some images where I did a breakdown of how they are created and what's important on these images. If you have any questions about this tutorial, please feel free to send us a message or leave a comment in the group or on the page, and we are happy to answer this. So have a nice day, have some fun in the next hours, and this was Stefan for Raw Exchange.